Hello everybody and welcome back to another Komika channel video, guys. And yeah, today me and Ninja Stealth, not the one guys who joins me on Quest to Kill the Ender Dragon, but just the soccer one, the penguin with the headphones guys. So yeah guys, we're gonna do some build battle today, but before he picks out a topic, I will crown the winner for this build. And it did take a while because no one really voted, but overall I couldn't wait any longer. It was between a creeper that was gonna say I'm gonna blow, or Samus and that octopus thingy. And the winner with 3 votes was Samus, guys, Metroid. So this was the winner of that build battle that was held long ago, maybe about 2 weeks ago, maybe. So yeah, guys, still no one has voted for this, so I'm waiting for you guys to vote for that. But yeah, today I built us a 20 by 20 square to build in, and yeah, Ninja Stealth is gonna pick out the topic for today. So let's do this.
This one. Fantasy.
Fantasy, guys. Okay, that's gonna be pretty cool, I guess. Some castles, maybe. I don't know. Whatever you guys, whatever you want to do. So yeah, guys. We have about maybe, let's see here, 10 minutes to make a fantasy kind of thing. So yeah, guys. Our time, 10 minutes, starts now. Okay,
okay,
I got something. And I think this will work out very well. Hopefully, I'm not mistaken, but it does look like it's gonna be something. So as you guys can see, it's gonna be kind of something that looks like from my series, Quest to Kill the Ender Dragon series. So yeah, guys. Hopefully.
What was the thing you had to do?
Sorry guys about that.
I'm saying mine's getting a 4 o'clock.
Hopefully, have to build something fantasy. So,
Keep on building on. And I want to make.
sorry about the guy who came in and intruded the video, guys. Not supposed to happen. So yeah. He's just a viewer. So, yeah. Let's do this. This looks nice so far. Nice. And then get this going here. And
No!
get some dark oak going here. And then doors. This would look nice, I think. A spruce door would look nice. Oh yeah, I feel it now. And now, furnace, coal.
No!
And then get half of that in there, half of that in there, and then we could get this going. There we go. Oh yeah. And then cobwebs.
Oh God. Oh God, this is hard.
Okay, I got this. There we go. And then get rid of this, get rid of all of this. And then we could we spawn in a villager. We get some wood, stack of wood. Oh, not green wool, a stack of wood. And there we go with that, there we go with that. And then we could do that. Oh, that's a baker too. No, are you kidding me?
What?
It's snowing again.
No! You're getting my thing!
No, it's not. No, not anymore. Okay, I see. Oh! Okay. I see what he's doing. Now what I'm gonna do is get some of that, and then
No, oh God.
black wool. Greenish, I guess. And then yeah,
I don't think he knows what I think you know what I'm making, but it's pretty.
and then oh God, no. Come on. There. There. And then there. Oh God, no. Can you do there? Like that. And then boom, boom, boom,
Oh no! Oh, I can't see me.
boom, boom.
Oh, I keep on dropping stuff.
And then no, da, ja, and then get that up there. Come on. And then we have 3 minutes left. And then we could do that. Like that, and then red wool, or no, yeah, wool. We can do that. This looks so wrong or weird, you know. Let's do that, maybe?
The astronaut.
No. Let's get that down there and that down there again. It's not supposed to look that way. Well, I'll add something else to it. We have 2 minutes left. How did he get out? There. How can we do this? How can we do this? Last second. What else can we do? Oh yeah. Come on. I have to do this fast. 1 minute left. Move, chicken.
I think I know what I could do.
Come on.
It just sucks.
There we go. Come on, no.
Is it though?
Almost. Couple seconds. Come on, let me get this in. And then I think, should I do this? Oh yeah, that looks a lot cooler. There we go, I think. Yeah, time is up. And yeah, are you trading with the blacksmith?
Yeah.
Okay, whatever. Okay, let's go. Ready? Okay, who's gonna show off the build first? You show off your build.
Want me to show off mine first?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I mean is Freddy Fazbear, but not just Freddy Fazbear. It's Freddy Fazbear shootout and say, I'm firing my laser against the zombie, and there's his hat, and there's his mouth, and there's his eyes, and there's the zombie behind you.
Cool. So what I built is basically a bunch of little creatures. It's not every day you see like a giant purple man walking around your house. But yeah, these monsters come out at night, and this guy, this baker dude, right here, as you can see, this guy, he's Bobby. Yeah, he's staying in his house because, yeah, these monsters are out in front of his house. He doesn't want to die. And yeah, his wife is out here. His wife came out of the building zone. And yeah. Bad wife, get in your circle. Whatever. So yeah, that's basically mine. There's this like cookie monster, like this brown poopy kind of color thing. The person escaped now. Like now he is behind the monster. And yeah, this guy's just a nice little guy. I was trying to make him look more ferocious, but he actually just came out like a little friendly guy. So yeah, guys, this is who you're voting for. Freddy Fazbear shooting out a laser at a zombie, or these bunch of little creatures, and his a blacksmith's wife running out in the open with these scary looking monsters all over the place. So yeah, guys, please remember to vote who's better, whose build you like best, and yeah, definitely remember to vote for this, because leave that down in the comments for that other video, so we could actually crown a winner, because yeah, we can't just be waiting forever. So please, guys, remember to vote who's better. And yeah, guys, until then, I will see you guys all later. Bye.